Hi guys, I'm back. For today's video guys, I am going to show you how I clean my Echeveria bluebird. So this is my Echeveria bluebird, guys. As you can see, my Echeveria bluebird. So it's in the like a big planted in a big it's like a big bowl, guys. So I have, as you can see, I have 6 in there, and it's been in here in the big blue bowl. It's in this bowl, guys, for about 3 years now. And so I'm going to show you how I clean this up. So this is our Echeveria bluebirds. So guys, there is white stuff on the leaves. It means that's the perena. So we can't touch the leaves, guys, because the perena is there. What's the perena is the white stuff that protecting our bluebirds. The white stuff that protecting the bluebirds, it is the perena. So guys, so I am going to show you how I'm going to clean this up. Alright, just give me a second. Let's set up my camera. So guys, this is my Echeveria bluebirds. See? Echeveria bluebirds. Now let's clean this up. As I normally do, I'm going to show you guys. I normally do go underneath here. So in here, this is what I do. So this is what I do, guys. I'll go under and grab the leaves. So I go under and this, guys. So just do it slowly because I don't want it to damage the leaves and also the perilla. And also we just grab the leaves that's also it start getting dry. So this is how I do it, guys. So you can see here there's a lot of dirty, I'm not dirty, like I mean dead leaves, because it's been here for a long year. See guys, so these plants, Echeveria bluebirds, is very hardy. So guys, so this is what I do. See, grab the plant, grab the dry leaves, and like that. So that's what I do, guys. So that's what I do for my Echeveria bluebirds. So just don't touch the top one, because that's where the perena. Okay, so that one's done. The hard part of these, guys, is to do the middle one, because it's so much of dry leaves and it's thick. So sometimes, guys, you can't really avoid, so you'll be able to like, you know, you wanted not to touch the leaves, but sometimes you can't avoid it. So but if you can do it, do so. Otherwise, just keep on checking, and that where you can access it. I reckon with these plants, it's not been clean underneath, because there's so much, see, so much dead leaves. So I reckon it's been a while I haven't cleaned these plants, because bluebirds, the bottom bit of it is very bright and there's so much dead leaves. So yes, see guys, dead leaves everywhere. So I'm very careful to clean this up because of the perena. I don't want it to ruin the white stuff underneath. So we have that for now. So just do it slowly. This one's a little bit tighter. See, once we've done it, and it's gonna be air in here. So once we done it, guys, they can breathe easily and have air comes in here. So this is how I do it, guys. It's a bit hard, so it's a bit hard, guys. So yes, that's how I do. So some of these plants are very hard to clean, but try our best. So we're just gonna put more rocks in there later on. Try our best, guys. I love this arrangement of mine because it survived and it's beautiful. See, very beautiful. The only problem is it's hard to clean. It's hard to clean, guys. So very hard to clean. So guys, yep. Now, so I've done this one, and this one is also done. What about this side? This side is nearly done. We just need to rub some more on this side. So it's alright. So I think we need to use a twist. Guys, we need to invent something. Okay. See, guys, so many deadlines. So just like that. Sometimes you can get it too easy, sometimes not. Depends how tight. See, guys. So at least the air can have the air can go in and out. See, because it has circulation already. So let's keep on going because I think we're nearly done. We're nearly finished. So although that we have I think I touched some of the barina. I can't help it, guys. I have to because it's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. Okay, so that is all done. That is all done. So hopefully, there's more here. Hopefully, okay. Hopefully this will get better because it's a little bit like the air can go in and out now. See, guys. So that's what it looks like now. My Echeveria bluebird. So hopefully, guys, this will survive for long. Now that we have took some of the dead leaves, Hopefully, so the air can flow now everywhere. And we took some of the leaves that's also not needed there. So guys, this is what it looks like now, our Echeveria bluebird. See? All right. So guys, I am cleaning my plants. So I'm trying to not to um, I'm trying not to damage some of my plants. So okay, so got this one here, guys. I'm going to clean my Monroe. So so much to clean up at the moment, guys. Let's clean up our plants. So, even though that I already cleaned this up not long ago, I still need to clean them up. So guys, my Monroe has so much dead leaves. Okay, so because I cut their leaves today, took some of the dead leaves today, I don't think I need to water them today. I can let them dry first because it might ruin the bottom. So yes, that's all done. Monroe. So this is the Monroe. The Monroe is done. So guys, just be with me, guys, because I'm cleaning. You have to clean. You have to clean. See, guys, clean. Get all the cobweb. Let's clean. Let's clean. Okay, let's clean. This is my Echeveria ebony. Guys, this is my Echeveria ebony. This one here has 3 heads. Yeah. This one's my Echeveria lipstick. So I cleaned this last time, and now there's more. So let's clean this. Give them a bit of cleaning now. Hopefully, this one here is my Echeveria Monroe. The Monroe is doing alright. Okay. So let's clean. This one is my Romeo. Let's clean our Romeo. This is our Robin, so I think they need soil. Romeo Robin needs soil. See, it's coming off. Let's put soil. Okay, let's put soil to our Romeo Robin. It's drying. It looks like it's coming off. So guys, let's clean our plants. I'm going to move some of these plants, guys, so that's why I need to, because this is very old, these plants now, so I'm going to repot. I think they need repotting, although they look good in here, but we still need to repot them. because the soil is nearly gone. It's missing so much soil, especially this one here. Okay, okay guys, I need to move that, move this. Okay, so hopefully this, some of these plants will survive, because it's hopefully this will survive. So guys, I am removing some of my plants. Finish. Okay, let's clean up. Clean, clean, clean. Remove dirty and dead leaves. Cobweb. Let's get rid of the cobweb. Okay. This one, see guys, it's not even to the thing. I need to put it in. Oh my god, I need to repot this. Guys, our Romeo Robin came off, so I have to repot this Romeo Robin, guys. Look, it came off. So guys, this is all for now. I'm going to finish my cleaning of my succulents, and we will see you on my next vlogs. Don't forget to like and share Wilma's Mix Vlogs. Thanks for now. Bye bye.